How would you like to make your traffic work harder and transform your WordPress blog into a cash cow by pushing ads, subscriptions, trial offers, CPA offers, and more? Well, keep watching until the end so that you can see how to increase your conversions with this one simple solution. It's a fact that it's getting harder and harder to engage with customers in an ever-growing competitive space, and thus makes it harder for you to monetize your websites. Well, full-page interstitial ads are one of the most interesting solutions to this major problem. In fact, according to VentureBeat.com, a leading source for news and perspective on technology innovation, interstitial ads are killing it. 25 times video views, 7 times conversions, and 9 times revenue. Now here's how these ads work. Basically, as users wait for the content of a website to be displayed, hyperstitial or interstitial ads are displayed in a similar manner as television commercials. So as you can imagine, this is something people have been used to for a long time. And viewers are subjected to advertisements which are more difficult to ignore than the common banner ad. In fact, if you go to major news sites or even Fortune 500 companies such as Forbes.com, they use full-page interstitial ads inside their content because it's working and converting for them. Now, even YouTube.com places video ads before their video content, which is the same concept. And because people are used to this already, they're more likely to have their guards down. But this method is rarely used by smaller websites, and frankly because most companies just don't have access to this type of technology, so a lot of money is being left on the table. In fact, we face the same problem. We scour the internet for a software plugin to work on our existing WordPress sites, but we just kept coming back empty-handed. And we wanted a WordPress plugin that could create multiple campaigns with multiple ads that can rotate evenly per campaign. Of course, there was one such plugin that we found that could create one ad per campaign, but it was so basic it could not fulfill what we wanted it to do to increase our sales and conversions. Plus, it had monthly fees that we just didn't want to spend for years to come. And that's why we decided to develop our own interstitial ad WordPress plugin. But it wasn't easy. It took well over half a year just to develop it and work with a programmer to do so, and another 4 months of testing and quality assurance and getting all the bugs out. And apart from that, we began to test different types of content types to see what converted well and what didn't, such as static images, videos that could autoplay, JavaScript code, HTML code, written code, and even converting existing posts or pages on our WordPress blog into full-page ads. So basically, essentially converting our existing content into monetized content. And we found what worked and kept it in our plugin, and dumped what didn't work. So the truth of the matter is that hyperstitial ads work really well if done correctly by targeting the right demographic or target audience. And this can really increase your sales conversions for your products, your sales, your opt-ins, or whatever you choose to promote. Well, enough talk. Let me show you how our hyperstitial plugin works in action and how you can start getting results. So at the time of making this video, actually yesterday, I was reading the Washington Post on my iPad and I happened to see a hyperstitial ad. As you can see, this is the ad. It's actually fairly simple, but it's actually very powerful because it's shown in between the content. So you've already gained the person's trust by giving them great content and you're actually showing the ad. Now, there are specific tips and tricks that you can use to increase your conversions and increase your profits, which I'll share with you a little bit more down the road. But I want to make you realize that I'm not just showing you how it works, I'm going to show you how to increase your conversions that actually produce results. So after you have installed the plugin, this is what you get. You can see all the campaigns, you can add a new campaign, or you can simply edit a campaign. You can also enable and disable campaigns. You can specifically choose a campaign to run on the front page. And not only that, you can create unlimited campaigns and you can create unlimited ads within a campaign. So if you want to test to see whether an image works best, a video works best, a JavaScript code works best, a text written content works best, you can actually do that. And another thing you can do is specify